you love what she represents.
Which is?
Come on, Dante. She was
Preston, are you folding clothes?
And years later, after she's played the field and realized how unsatisfying the so-called hotties are, she's finally gone with someone who looks...
Oh my God, you're gonna say fugly, aren't you?
unconventional.
Nice pass.
Thank you. It took her a few years to finally figure out that thing that every mother tries to teach their little girl, but she has to learn on her own. And that's that guys that look like you have a lot more to offer because you'll always try harder than the pretty boy.
What am I, some hideous fucking shut over here?
No, you're a catch. Kinda. And Emma's a catch too. Because not only is she pretty, but she'll make all your decisions for you. Which is lucky because you're pretty terrible at making decisions.
So my last day is all about you telling me what an ugly, indecisive loser I am.
You doing laundry, buddy?
Like that quick stop for like a decade, and you
Yeah,
were
doing
here
laundry.
for a year almost.
Gotta do it. Gotta clean it up.
At both jobs, all you've ever said is how you needed to get out and start your life. And it wasn't until Emma walked in the door and was like, "I'm down to Florida with you. What do you think about it? Now you'll get that job." That you actually went and did something.
Good job.
She's your golden ticket.
Say bye-bye.
What's that make you?
I'm just the girl who finds ugly, indecisive losers in the kitchen once